right, Dr. Marquez here from Back Pain Relief Center here in Vineland. This is Dr. Avakian. I'm going to have her adjust my low back today. A little history. I had surgery on my knee a few weeks ago, and it's making me walk a little off or a little funny, and sure enough, it's translating into some low back pain. We're going to get a spinal adjustment to try to realign my hips and my pelvis and take a little bit of pressure off of there and hopefully relieve some of this pain.
Okay, squeeze your knees together and let it go. That looks better than it did yesterday. Okay. Bend both knees. And breathe again. Right hand on your low back, and switch hands, back down. Now look up, best you can. And same thing. Okay.
You want to try the instrument?
Tenderness over here?
A little bit.
All right, come on.
All right, so I know by getting adjusted 2 or 3 times, that'll decompress the joints in my back and increase my motion and hopefully relieve a little bit of my pain.